Hello, my name is Rafael Gonçalves.
Hi, my name is Mariana Sousa. The Contemporary Pombalina House project is a combination between architecture, lightweight construction, urbanism, sustainable development, and history of Lisbon.
The pre-existing path at the northern top of the plot is maintained and reinforced as a connection between the two main streets. The residential building has two passages on the ground floor, creating new pedestrian paths.
In the renovated building, the common and cultural areas are located on the north part of the building, and the Lisbon Film Commission and Film Library on the south part. The three axes are preserved, as well as all exterior walls and roof.
In between the two buildings there is a water collection surface that collects rainwater for a later watering of the green space. At the same time, this water surface is an attractive element for the public space, as well as a way to refresh and improve the surrounding environment on hot days as known in Lisbon.
As one of the most important acoustic spaces of the project, the auditorium hall has a secondary hanging ceiling that enables a better acoustic performance.
As the cultural building will have a program related with sound and filming, all constructive and finishing details have high excellence thermal and acoustic insulation properties.
The ground floor of the residential building is entirely dedicated to external access to the elevated floors, as well as common areas as bike rooms and laundry rooms. The smaller volumes attached to the building are for commerce and service activities, such as co-working spaces and galleries. Having the green surface embracing the building, it enables a better air quality and visual comfort.
The typical floor are composed by 1 and 2 bedroom flats and co-living units with common spaces.
A good privacy and acoustic comfort is achieved between the dwellings through a double partition wall.
For a more sustainable character, the residential building has a rainwater tank on the roof for a later reuse. The use of the heat pump converter enables the supply of hot water. A gap in the stone elements on the ground floor, protected by a metal grid, enables an entrance of fresh air throughout the building. The windows enable a natural air ventilation and air renewal.
As a natural daylight strategy, it was calculated to maximize the most suitable high-performance glazing solution for the building windows. There is a bigger percentage of glass surface on the east and north side of the building, while on the south facade the openings are minimized.
For acoustic efficiency, it is used good acoustic solution for floor and ceilings.
In each building, there are 3 axes that enable a short and equal distance to the concrete staircase without obstructing elements, maintaining a safe passage.
There are 2 types of roofs. The higher volume has a water collectible roof system, while the smaller volumes have a vegetable substrate, absorbing water and improving air quality.
Was one of the most important elements of our concept. The design should remind us of the traditional Pombalina facade of Lisbon, but at the same time trying to achieve a sustainable and contemporary construction.
The use of the light steel structure allows a higher cost efficiency due to its modular structure. It is a sustainable and recycled product with a low carbon construction. It is a reinterpretation of the late 18th century Lisbon structure with a plastered coating facade. One of the main ideas of the project is hidden in the detail of the stone frame. The stone is reused from the demolished buildings, therefore minimizing waste and CO2 transport emission and giving those materials a new way of life.
This type of modular construction with lightweight structure can be used as an example for other parts of the city, taking into account the city's history and cultural heritage, but at the same time embracing the contemporary and sustainable time in which we live.
This is the Contemporary Pombalina House for you.